Hello Homo sapiens and Marbites, it's me Rogue Marby Scott. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back any new watchers and subscribers. Now, something that you probably haven't noticed on the channel is that I really enjoy cooking food and I like to post up little shorts and stuff. But lately I have been watching Cocoa Butter, which is a channel on YouTube. Now it's an American based channel and all of the contestants are basically American. I'm just like looking there for new recipes and things that I can try because in America they have much more of a diverse palette than we do here in the UK. Anyway, I came across this video that is titled College Student Struggled Ramen. Say what now? You can't struggle. There's always a way to make it look nice and taste nice. So I'm just gonna throw up a few little clips here.
Today, I brought my Nigerian-styled ramen for people to try. You know, I used atagungun,
So I put some chicken in here, of course. I put a little chili and lime, Lari seasoned salt, and the ramen I use is maruchan.
In this ramen, I threw some shrimp in here. I threw some oyster sauce, threw some sriracha, some seasoning. Sorry to the other contestants, but this ramen is going to take the cake. I definitely feel like I'm gonna win.
And as you can see, none of them look like mine. FYI, I would love to be on the channel, but obviously I'm here in the UK. So is that ever gonna happen? Maybe not. Anyway, bye.